Present continuous versus past continuous tense sentences. I am planting roses. I am planting roses. I was planting roses. I was planting roses. He is playing football. He is playing football. He was playing football. He was playing football. She is working hard today. She is working hard today. She was working hard yesterday. She was working hard yesterday. Peter is writing a letter now. Peter is writing a letter now. Peter was writing a letter 3 days ago. Peter was writing a letter 3 days ago. Tom is not coming to work today. Tom is not coming to work today. Tom was not coming to work last Monday. Tom was not coming to work last Monday. You are not listening to me. You are not listening to me. You were not listening to me. You were not listening to me. Thomas is going to London next week. Thomas is going to London next week. Thomas was going to London last week. Thomas was going to London last week. They are celebrating a festival. They are celebrating a festival. They were celebrating a festival. They were celebrating a festival. The dog is barking a man. The dog is barking a man. The dog was barking a man. The dog was barking a man. My brother is buying a laptop. My brother is buying a laptop. My brother was buying a laptop. My brother was buying a laptop. They are traveling by train. They are traveling by train. They were traveling by train. They were traveling by train. The sun is shining at the moment. The sun is shining at the moment. The sun was shining yesterday. The sun was shining yesterday. My friend is not coming to the party. My friend is not coming to the party. My friend was not coming to the party. My friend was not coming to the party. We are working on the project right now. We are working on the project right now. We were working on the project all day yesterday. We were working on the project all day yesterday. He is painting the portrait of his wife. He is painting the portrait of his wife. He was painting the portrait of his wife. He was painting the portrait of his wife. It is raining now. It is raining now. It was raining last night. It was raining last night. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.